Good morning from Graham Family Farm. Sure is a nice day. It's a little chilly out here. Today we're going to try to get this tank washed out here so we can get fresh water down to the animals when the hoses start freezing. Hopefully it's a temporary for this fall and winter, and hopefully by spring we'll get a freeze valve down there, but who knows. Another thing we're going to do today, we're going to take these tables. I have 8 that look like this and one that's square, so it's 9 all together. We're taking these over to a friend of ours. We used these during my son's wedding, and don't need them anymore. So they got to go, make room for our other stuff. Well, the tables are loaded and we're ready to go. Just waiting to get the labradoodle inside the truck, and we'll be on our way. Okay, here's our drop off here at Hidden Treasures thrift store. We'll be unloading these. Gonna be that much less stuff at our house. Okay, Edward's got them unloaded. That's a lot better being here than at my place. Well, this little cutie here, this one with a pink nose, I don't know if it's a male or a female, but he came out to see me as soon as I opened the door, and then so did the red pig there. Which red pig is not very friendly if you pick her up. Anyway, I think they've been into my feed out here because I have a corn bag that was knocked over. Yeah, look at it. So Mama's being stingy with her food. So I have 2 different piles here. Well, a little pile for this guy. I scared him. Come here, piggy. I called a pig, not a labradoodle. Come here, little piggy. Yep. Came out the other end of this gate. The girls want to talk a lot. See what's going on here. Yeah, the problems in the coop. Yeah, those noisy ducks. And a labradoodle. Yeah, some more feed here. It's got me some eggs. Been using this Payback egg layer crumble, and it seems to be working pretty good. I had pellets before, and I switched to this super egg, and they started laying. Well, I'm keeping this in case they stop, because this is a lot cheaper, and so far they're doing good. I go through a coffee can or so about this size a day. If I add too much, then they end up wasting it. They'll be on the ground. So that's about all they really need. Haven't found it empty with this much. But I do come out several times a day, so if it does get low, I will add more. But too much, they will get it all over the ground and they won't eat it. They'll waste it. Well, they're all happy for right now. So I go feed the boar outside. What a beautiful day. Yeah, this boar likes his grain. Have to throw him some alfalfa. It'll be done for now. We'll check on him a little later. Come on, Sally. Let's go. Don't get up there. Don't step on my eggs. Come on. Oh, ow. You're gonna step on them anyway, aren't you? Oh, it's a good dog. All right. Yep, all this mud. It dries out a little bit. I'm gonna mulch these leaves down. It's almost there. Also want to have another downpour. Well, that's all I got for today. Nothing really exciting. Still gotta rinse out that water container down there. I don't know if I'll do that today or not. A few other things to check on. But thank you for watching. Have a great day.